Hi, how do you? Today we are going to draw the flag of Finland. So you can see that we have already drawn a rectangular shape here, and this is a blue cross in the middle. We have already drawn the shape, all right, previously. So now we're going to put the colors inside the shapes. Okay, so we're going to fill up this inside area with a regular dark blue color. Okay. The flag of Finland, it's quite simple flag, not so tough, pretty much easy. Now we're going to fill up the top portion of this corner. Okay, so the color we put here, this is almost the uniform color. Let's fill up the corners with the regular pencil, color pencil. All right. So for this small canvas, the flag drawing is pretty much easy, you can see. Okay, the drawing is complete. I hope you like it. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the more updates. You can also browse through our playlist. We have lots of drawings in different categories. And you can also select your own types, own categories, which drawings you would like to learn first. All right. I hope you like it. Thank you so much. Have a good day.